Welcome to the zoological world. Today we will discuss about Borneo elephant. Incredible Borneo elephant facts. The Borneo elephant last shared a common ancestor with its Asian kin about 300,000 years ago. Isolated from the other subspecies, it has evolved separately on the island of Borneo, never exchanging genes with other populations of elephants. Asian elephants grow 6 sets of teeth throughout their lives. Female Asian elephants usually lack tusks, but they do have long teeth called tushes located right behind their upper lips. The elephant trunk is an impressive instrument that's almost akin to a human hand. One of the more amazing facts about it is the ability to break off branches and swat away flies. Borneo elephant scientific name. The scientific name of the Borneo elephant is Elephas maximus bornensis. Elephas is obviously the name of the elephant family that includes both African elephants and Asian elephants. Maximus is the precise scientific name of the Asian elephant species. As you might already know, it is a Latin term meaning greatest or largest, which reflects the size of the Asian elephant. It is also where we get the English term maximum. Bornensis, a Latinized word for Borneo, refers only to the specific subspecies of Borneo. There are actually 4 subspecies of the Asian elephant in total. The other 3 are the Sri Lanka elephant, the Sumatra elephant, and the Indian elephant. It is believed that the Borneo elephant has evolved far enough away from its Asian counterpart to warrant a separate subspecies designation. Borneo elephant appearance. The Borneo elephant shares many features in common with its Asian relatives. The 2-domed head, the smaller rounded ears, the 4 hooves on the hind foot, and the gray skin with tiny spouts of hair. But it also exhibits many physical differences, including straighter tusks and a longer tail. The Asian elephant is generally smaller than the African elephant, but the Borneo elephant is around 30% smaller than other Asian elephants. Small, in this case, is relative, since the Borneo elephant measures between 8.2 and 9.8 feet tall and between 6,500 and 11,000 pounds in weight. Males tend to have a much larger weight than females on average. Borneo elephant behavior. The elephant trunk is an all-around incredible instrument. Thanks to the large concentration of muscles and nerves, it is the main means through which the elephant interacts with the world: breathing, smelling, drinking, communication, and grabbing objects. The elephant needs an equally impressive brain to perform all of these amazing feats with its trunk. Borneo elephants have not been widely studied for their cognition, but the elephant family as a whole has a highly developed neocortex, similar to humans, apes, and dolphins, that enables it to use tools, recognize itself in the mirror, solve complex problems, mimic behavior, and feel a range of complex emotions. Observations suggest that the elephant can experience grief and mourning over the death of a close friend or family member. The herd is the center of all social activity and daily life for some elephants. This highly cooperative and altruistic unit consists of 5 to 20 adult females, called cows, and their offspring. The male bulls usually wander off on their own at a young age or join all male bachelor groups, but the females tend to stay with the same herd for much of their lives. The oldest and largest female typically becomes the matriarch of the entire herd. She helps the group make decisions and instructs younger mothers on how to care for their young. The Asian elephant is a crepuscular species, which means it sleeps during the day and accomplishes most of its activities during the dawn and dusk hours. Defying its rather cumbersome stereotype, the elephant is a fast runner and a surprisingly good swimmer. It can submerge its entire body in the water to stay cool. Only its trunk is visible above the water to help it breathe. The elephant will also cover itself in mud or soil to keep its body temperature down during the warmer months. Borneo elephant habitat. The Borneo elephant, as the name implies, is endemic to the northeastern part of the island of Borneo. Although isolated from the rest of Asia, Borneo is one of the largest islands in the Pacific and a source of immense biodiversity. The greatest concentration of the Borneo elephant is found in the Malaysian state of Sabah at the very northern tip of the island. Here it wanders the forests and grasslands for 12 to 18 hours a day in search of resources.